bacioci come cuore innamorato. Questo è l'alfabeto dell'amore.
Hey everybody, I'm Jamie from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday at the Lake, and this is Ross.
Hey everybody, today we have a special mixologist up here at the lake. We just got back from a round of golf, and this is Megan, my daughter, and Jamie's sister.
And today we are making the Frosé, which is a lovely blended beverage on a nice summer day. So we've gone ahead and pre-planned by taking a bottle of rosé and putting it into an ice cube tray and just letting it freeze overnight. You can use any bottle of rosé. This drink is pretty forgiving. So we're just going to throw that into a blender. And then to add to that, we want a little bit of liquid. So we're going to add about 4 ounces of vodka. You can also use peach schnapps to sweeten it up a little bit. A splash of lemon juice. That's great.
Enough?
Yep.
Okay.
So Tait pour there. We're going to add some frozen strawberries as well to help with the consistency. So we have about a cup of sliced frozen strawberries. We'll add in.
Does it matter what kind of wine? Like, does it?
You can use a rosé, a Pinot Noir, Jamie was saying.
Okay.
Merlot.
Okay.
And we're also going to add a little bit of sugar to sweeten it up a little bit as well.
How much of this would you
This is about 4 tablespoons here.
4 tablespoons.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And if you don't have a blender on hand at the lake, too bad, we do. All right, let her go.
Let her go.
Pinky.
This looks
Refreshing.
They're going down to the Sev to get a Slurpee.
That's probably pretty good.
All right, that's probably good.
Okay. Nice.
Okay. We have some garnish there, I think, don't we?
And you can serve this just in a wine glass.
Oh.
So it's a perfect consistency. If you don't have time to freeze your wine ahead of time, that's okay. You can just throw in a bottle of wine and use some ice cubes. You definitely want to make sure your strawberries are frozen. And then if you like booze on booze like these guys, you definitely want to maybe up the vodka as well.
Okay, this is a little higher end than we're used to, but
Cheers.
cheers everyone.
That looks delicious.
That's very good. Very refreshing.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, you could drink a lot of these. You have to hydrate while you're at the lake.
Always got to stay hydrated.
Cheers.
Cheers everyone.